guys, Sha Nazri here. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm so excited because I want to share my home decor haul from Kaison. If you're new here and have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that red button down below and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. So let's get into this haul. The first thing I want to show you guys is this mug here, and I'm probably going to hang this in my daughter's room. I also pick up this sign right here. This sign made from metal. I love this font and it says wherever you go, go with all your heart. It has gray and white color on it. I picked up this at Kaison a while back, but I can't remember the price. I want to say it was like RM 6 ringgit 90 cent. I love how it looks. It just looks so chic and minimal. Next item is a cute little sign right here. I'm going to use this as a decoration in my daughter's room. I did buy some updated pieces just to kind of spruce up the space. I found another cute sign here, and this just say me and you. I did a little DIY with it. The original color is like a wood color, but then I painted it with white acrylic paint. This was 5 ringgit and 90 cent if I'm not mistaken. I actually bought this one a few months back. I believe they still sell it. Next purchase, which was these gorgeous flowers. So I have pink roses here. Isn't this pretty? I just love it. This wasn't expensive at all, and to me they almost look real. And this one only cost me 1 ringgit and 90 cent. I choose pink to add a bit of pop color in my home. And then I bought this white flower. I love how it looks. Like this one, big and fluffy, and it doesn't look too fake like some flowers. This white color is just beautiful and will look amazing anywhere in your home. And to add some natural feeling in my home, I also picked up this eucalyptus and I really like it. I don't know where this is going to go, but I'm gonna find place for it. I like this one because it looks realistic. I also got this vanity mirror. It kind of swivel. On one side it has magnifying mirror and the other side is just a normal mirror. This magnifying side is really useful for more details area such as eyes and sometimes lips. That makes really easy when you're applying your makeup. So this one is a really nice color. It's a blue and I like the design of this one. It looks classy and vintage. Last but not least, I got this adorable pink towel with polar bear on it. I just thought this print was super cute. They're really good quality, thick and nice feeling dish towel. I'm going to hang this in the kitchen. These were 7 ringgit and 90 cent. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys didn't see my previous Kaison haul video, make sure to check it out. I'll have link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!